Alright guys, welcome back to our video. In this video series, we are creating our very own AI, creating, training, fine-tuning. Alright, if you guys do want a team of developer for your startup or for your project to help you with some of the stuff you see me doing, reach out, email down below. We have the most expert professional guys, and we will set you up with your very own team to get your project done and on its way. Alright, but we we continue creating our own AI, creating fine tuning. All right, I'm not so stringent on the verbiage right now, but as you can see, we are on Hugging Face. Hugging Face is a website you can go to, and it kind of just plugs you in real quick, to this whole AI buzz. Right, it has like lots of models. Um, it has lots of models. I was just gonna search out lots of different models, large language models, text to speech models, like all the different models that are kind of popping off in the AI space right now. Llama, which is from Facebook, all open source things which have been trained and however many billion parameters, and just kind of a little community spot where you can see all the models that are really in use, and some examples and stuff. So it's really a very friendly place to start if you are looking to develop your own AI solution, or to have me and my guys start for you, since if you're not a developer, it probably doesn't mean much to you, but it's a site where you can see all the cool stuff happening in the AI CRM model. So we like this site. um, but as you can see here, we kind of I kind of settled on this model. I kind of liked it. Its answers, we were able to generate some text, hi there, and it's able to do some computation for us. No, 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 wait, back to example one, right? Worry not, guys. It's hi there, I like to play, my name is Julian, I like to play. It's just finishing text for us, right? So I say, there once was a guy from Peru, uh, was a bit of a jerk and always try. Yeah, so it's finishes stuff for us, right? So the idea we're kind of going for here right now, as we're creating our own AI, right, is that we'll be able to take one of these well trained like models, like large language models, LLMs as they're called, like Llama. So like Open Chat GPT is a large language model. Llama is another model. Wizard, which is what I have here, is another model, right? And I just be going with this because I like the results. It has like lots of likes. It seems to be trending right now, and I didn't want to sign up to Facebook's thing right now, but yeah, and what we'll be doing is I will be training it on our own data. So I'll be giving it my data, training it on a bit of my data, right? So that it can then be our very own customized AI. So right, if you can imagine all the use cases you possibly have for this, right? You can the ceiling is limitless, right? But the key thing here, with these technologies, is that um, in a lot of cases, not the only case, but in a lot of cases, particularly with these large language models, is that they understand English, or they understand textual data that we as humans would understand, or possibly understand, right? And we can feed it something, right? So I can have my notebook of notes, things that I've learned, and I can feed it to this AI, and then I can ask it back for advice about what to do in a particular situation, or kind of like a your own personal psychologist or twin, in that sense. Or we can give it a huge, like, I don't know, transcript from like a meeting, and I can say, hey, summarize this meeting for me in two points, or something like this. But the key here is we're able to kind of like fine tune the model with our own data. Let's say ChatGPT doesn't engage in political talk or something. I can train it on, like, I don't know, like, data from, I don't know, all the political news outlets that I like, if I had any, right? And then I'd say, hey, give me, the most intelligent, I don't know, political talking point and this thing, right? So I'm at flush for examples right now, but you should know, from, I don't know, maybe your customers have questions, you can feed it all into this and with your answers and the AI. So it's powerful stuff, right? So let's get into it. Yeah, so I'm on Hugging Face right now. And remember, guys, we are just kind of just going through everything step by step, right? So you're kind of seeing me, as a bit of a novice coming in here, figuring it out. You know, um, by the time you watch this video, by the time you watch this video, if it's if I put it out by then probably more than a few steps ahead now. So perhaps not quite a novice anymore, but it all starts here. Even if you're building out some new feature, we tend to start from fresh beginnings, and then we kind of keep going. But I'll be taking you guys along so you can see the process here. We go from A to B, in terms of creating our own customized large language model. All right, so let's if I get quiet, guys, it's because I'm reading the code. Sometimes it goes, I try to explain um, when I think there is something to explain, but you know enjoy the video, guys, and I'll see you at a later point. But yes, wait for me as when I start to write the code. Okay, I'm clicking my come on, text editor. You're supposed to be quicker than this. You're embarrassing me. Okay. um when we write le code, okay, you'll see all the stuff here. Oh, we have some code here from, dude, are we like AI? Did we write this like from the future? What the heck? No, but you can see here this is a bit of an API call to Hugging Face, which I guess is interface with one of these models already, and it just kind of puts it in simplified calls that we can kind of use. I don't know if we'll be doing that. I'm thinking more of a local version of something, and so we're kind of just gonna be digging up how to do that. But it's important. It's good to know here that there are sites like this where you can just interface. ChatGPT, I think, also has its own open source interface that you can work with. But we're doing the custom route, right? We want to be as close to the middle as possible, right? So yeah, let's go. See this one here performs ChatGPT 3.5, so that's a good sign. See a llama 2 model here, meaning it's possibly also trained with llama. Hoping to click this. Yeah, this thing here is like a demo of it beating ChatGPT, so I'm just gonna check out this video real quick.
Prepare yourself for a magical AI
Playing from
experience
desktop.
because a new challenge.
Oh, I don't want to feedback here. Are we feeding? Yeah, we'll be feeding back into the mic, so I'd have to get my headphones. Oof. Alright, we pause. It's okay. Alright, 1 second, guys, while I get my headphones.